Hey all, my name is Vladimir. I'm from Carrectly Auto Care, and today I wanted to show you one of the services that we offer, which is Chrome Delete. What it essentially is us changing some of the panels and trim pieces into black or any other color that you prefer. Basically, it adds a pop to a car, changes the look and feel for more universal design language, and you get rid of all of the chrome pieces into black or any other color if you prefer, for a sleeker, sexier, more universal look. This job itself is very intricate, but we have great technicians to actually do it. Give us a try. We're here to change your look of the car. Thank you.